Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? We're doing a weekday cook here today. Got something really simple to do here. I've got this garlic and herb pork sirloin, and we're going to be doing this today on the pellet grill, on the Tec Pellet grill. And this is pork, so we're going to go back and look at our directions here. And it says we need to get internal temperature up to 150. So we need to remember that, and we'll use the iGrill 2 to monitor that. There's no need for any sort of seasoning because it's got the garlic and herb in it. This will be real easy to do. But I've got potatoes here doing a little bit differently. I've part cooked these in the microwave, and we've applied a little bit of seasoning to it. I got some nature seasoning in here. We sliced them open, put some butter in there. We're going to finish up by putting just a couple pads of butter on top of them. And those are going to go on the Tec 2, and we'll brown those up real nice. A real easy weekday cook here to do, and we'll see you at the grill. Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? We're back, and as you can see, our temp is, well, maybe you can't see. It's 127, so we're getting close here. Give a quick look here. You can see I got the spray bottle. Have been using some apple juice on there. And let's take a look. Oh, nice and smoky. I like that. Let's get some apple juice on there. See, potatoes are looking mighty nice. So we're going to take this up to about 145, and we're going to wrap that pork in some tin foil. Let it sit for about 15 minutes before we slice it up, and we'll give you a look-see once it's plated. And as always, folks, I get a lot of these ideas. Those potatoes. See those potatoes I got going on though? Those potatoes, the ideas for those potatoes came from letstalkbarbecue.com. I saw a guy do it on there, and I said, man, that's a great idea. Slice up your potatoes, put some seasoning in there, and put some butter on it. And it's perfect. I know that's going to be good potatoes. So can't wait to plate that up, can't wait to eat it, can't wait to taste it. And folks, we'll see you at the table. Well, hey folks, not quite plated up yet, but there it is. There's the pork loin. Well, looking really very nice. Turned out really nice on the Tec mini grill, and where we got the potatoes there, like I said, I saw the idea to do this on letstalkbarbecue.com, and man, oh man, I can't wait to tear into that. So get these on the table, and